Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, August 5, 2025. The story behind Yasmin Kurdi's vintage gown at GMA Gala 2025. Hindi bumili o nagpatahi ng mamahaling gown si Yasmin Kurdi para sa GMA Gala 2025, na ginanap sa Marriott Hotel sa Pasay City nitong August 2, 2025. Proud ang kapuso actress na sabihing isang, upcycled, JC Buendia gown ang kanyang sinuot bilang pagbigay-pugay sa 75th anniversary ng network na nagpabago ng buhay niya. Sa kanyang Facebook feed, ipinost ni Yasmin na redesign, niya kay Buendia ang sinuot na red gown noong Judgment Night ng Starstruck Season 1 taong 2004. Matatanda ang tinanghal siya bilang first princess, at si Jeneline Mercado ang naging kauna-unahang ultimate female survivor ng Starstruck. Kahit nga raw 21 years old na ang gown, malinis at in good condition pa raw ito kaya pwede pang masuot ulit. Post ni Yasmin, "Do you remember this gown? This is the very same gown I wore during Starstruck's Judgment Night 21 years ago. You might even catch a glimpse of it in the opening and closing scenes of GMA's Station ID on TV. For GMA's 75th anniversary, I wanted to do something meaningful, a quiet tribute to everything this network has given me. That's why I went back to the one and only Sir JC Buendia to have this gown upcycled. It was such a warm and nostalgic moment catching up with him after so many years. Ang galing ng ginawa niyo sa gown. Akala ko forever na siya sa cabinet ko, magagamit ko pa pala ulit." Hindi niya kinalimutan ang mga taong tumulong para ma-achieve ang kanyang look sa parehong gabi. "Hello, Kuya Sander Anden, Starstruck's head stylist, thank you for introducing us to JC Buendia. Big thanks to my stylist Gabby Wu for making it all work even with my super last-minute prep, alam mo na, sobrang busy. Side note, naiwan ko yung bracelet. Dapat may bangle pa iyan. I had the best time at the gala reconnecting with old friends who truly feel like family. Happy 75th, GMA. Here's to many more years of storytelling and memories." Sa isang separate post, pinahalagahan ni Yasmin ang sustainable fashion that refers to clothing and other fashion products designed and produced with consideration for the environment and the people involved in the production process. Kasama rito ang pag-reuse ng mga damit for longevity, timeless style, and minimize negative environmental impacts. Aniya pa, cheers to timeless fashion and a sustainable future. Ilang international celebrities na advocates ng sustainable fashion ay sina Jane Fonda, Leonardo DiCaprio, Emma Watson, Angelina Jolie, Alicia Silverstone, Gwyneth Paltrow, Olivia Wilde, Pharrell Williams, Natalie Portman, Mark Ruffalo, Kate Blanchett, Kate Middleton, at Miss Universe 2022 Rabani Gabriel, na may sariling sustainable fashion line called Rabani Nola. Wala pang sinisimulang bagong teleserye si Yasmin after The Missing Husband, na umere noong 2023. Pahinga raw muna ang aktres after nitong isilang ang kanyang second baby girl named Rayla Layla noong April 2024. Abala siya sa kanyang mommy duties dahil 1-year-old pa lang si Rayla, at gusto raw niyang masubaybayan ang paglaki nito tulad sa ginawa niya noon sa kanyang panganay na si Ayesha, who is now 12 years old. E-follow ang Instagram at Facebook ni Yasmin Kurdi, i-click ang link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!